Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to enable the battery percentage on Windows 11 so that you can see exactly how much the charge you have left instead of only the icon. So it is just going to take a few minutes. First of all, you need to click on the start menu. Now you need to come into the settings of your account. Now once you are here in the settings, simply just hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of system. Over here you just have to tap on the option of power and battery. Now in the power and battery you need to scroll a little bit until you see the battery option. Under that you will see the option of battery percentage. On top as well it is going to show you the battery percentage, which is 55% as you can see for my PC. Now you can also just turn it on if this particular option is turned off. So here we have the energy saver option, we have the power mode option, and some of the energy recommendations as well. So here in the settings you can also go to the personalization option, then go to the option of taskbar. Over here in the taskbar you can just simply look for the taskbar corner, and there you can select the option of battery. So once you do this, the battery option is going to come here on the taskbar, and it is also going to show you the battery percentage with it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.